This video tutorial offers an overview of the Lumenera LuCam Capture software. The LuCam Capture software comes with all of Lumenera's industrial cameras and is used to evaluate the camera. The support area of the Lumenera website provides the opportunity to download the latest version of the LuCam Capture software. With the software installed on your computer and the camera connected, go to the Windows Start menu and select LuCam Capture. The application dialog is displayed, and there are a number of options available to manipulate the camera. In the upper section of the application, you'll find the image size drop-down. This offers a number of region of interest options available from the camera, and generally selecting maximum resolution is where people would begin. Click on the application's Start Preview button to display the live preview window. The camera is now streaming video frames to your monitor. Click on the Capture button to freeze an image from the live video stream. The Hide View button gets rid of the captured image, or the Save As button will allow you to save it to file before clearing it. The Camera Feature Control section provides you an exposure slider and a gain adjustment. Reducing the exposure time will darken the image for the given lighting conditions, and increasing the exposure time will brighten the image. The gain adjustment is available to boost the output signal from the camera when there's insufficient illumination. The image processing section provides a gamma adjustment. A 1.5 default is suitable for a CRT monitor, but a reduced value between 1 and 1.5 would be more suitable for an LCD or LED flat panel monitor. With a bright or white object in the field of view, or possibly a white image target for the camera, click on the white balance button to set the red, green, and blue color channel gains to the appropriate levels for your light source. The Options menu provides the ability to select a light source color correction matrix based on the type of illumination that you're using. The options at the bottom of the panel allow you to control the snapshot. Snapshot Capture is an independent setting that differs slightly from the video capture up above. This capture button in the top part of the application takes a frame from the live streaming video, whereas the snapshot allows you more control for an application where you might want to trigger the camera independently through software or hardware, or where you might want to synchronize a strobe capture with the image. It has various options including 16-bit output, waiting for the hardware input trigger, and using the strobe illumination in conjunction with the image capture. When using the strobe output, you have control over a delay timing, as well as independent red, green, and blue color channel gain settings to get the most appropriate color balance depending on the type of strobe lamp that you're using. Returning to the Options menu, we have the ability to enable the preview in 16-bit mode, selecting monochrome preview and capture, sharpen the captured image, so this would apply a sharpening algorithm to the captured image, enable dual tap correction, which would be available on certain camera models such as the 11 megapixel camera model. Image averaging can be used to help minimize background noise in captured images under higher gain settings. Image summing can be used to add the results from various captured images together. So under dark illuminated conditions where the camera is operating at near maximum exposure time, you can capture multiple frames and sum them together. The hue and saturation presents you with a couple of sliders to adjust the camera's hue and saturation parameters. Hue is typically left at 0, whereas saturation can be boosted to 25, 30, 35, or 40% depending on your application. Clicking Initialize returns these to their default settings. The last item on the options menu displays the video properties. Anybody considering using the camera in a DirectX application will be interested in knowing that the camera properties displayed here are the DirectX property pages. So these controls would be available to anybody using a DirectX application. The View menu provides you with the ability to preview the camera frame rate and to show image stats, information that could be useful in assessing the camera's performance. The Help menu, clicking on About LuCam Capture, displays a dialog where you have the opportunity to email Lumenera support, and it will provide you with relevant information that the support team could find beneficial, such as your camera model ID, the software and API versions that you're running on the camera, as well as your camera serial number. And finally, the File menu to exit the LuCam Capture application. That concludes our overview of LuCam Capture.